Hey guys, this is Brick Lancy. Brick here doing another video today, and it's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. If you didn't see my Lego City, it's called Lego Custom Lego Fire Department, Station, update number 2. Go check that out, and you understand. You get to see all this. So this is my command trailer. This is the whole reason why you clicked on that video showing you this little trailer, but it's not a little trailer. This is my mobile command center. So let's check it out. So in the front we have blue and blue, yellow and yellow. I basically took one of the Legos. Only my Lego bumpers off of a set. Oops. Fell off. Then I have one spot for a 5 guy and another. So that's pretty cool. I have like little windows. If you can see, boom, there's a computer back here. So this side we have a little container to put stuff in. We have a fire extinguisher, the thing to hold on to. I guess it's like, we have the back. We have lights, red, yellow, red. And we have red, yellow. These are the turn signals and all that. We got same stuff on this side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels on each side, so that'll be 18, like 18 wheels. And I forgot to tell you, we have yellow and red lights up above and a fire symbol and a white cap. And here's this. That's what the roof is. We have 2 red lights to flash. We have another fire extinguisher and another container. That's awful. Let me get the roof off. Breaking. Quickly put it back on. I'm sorry that this video is taking so long. As you see, the roof comes off in one piece, but actually the brown that you see in the front, and I put it down like that, you see brown, that comes apart. So what we have is a little desk with communications, another desk for like the chief to talk to people. This is actually the supervisor, ambulance supervisor. Yeah, there's gonna be like equipment and stuff in there, but that's basically it, guys. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, definitely do subscribe. I think this is a really neat idea that I made, and to see you guys in the next video. So, and look out for more fire department videos. Look at that, it's just so beautiful. So thanks again, and wish you a great Thanksgiving.